Lindsey Vonn is an Olympic skier, and when that is your job, you can get hurt. Very hurt. And this weekend, Vonn suffered a gruesome injury to her arm, one that had us all saying ouch while she was training in Colorado. Vonn shared updates on her Facebook account and Twitter pages, and just a warning, the pictures are not pretty. It's not all bad. Vonn updated her Facebook that she underwent a successful surgery, and despite the gnarly scar, her knees are A-okay and she hopes to return to the slope soon. But yikes, that has to hurt.